So we're going to talk about a service today on the truck. The first thing is the oil dipstick, who's the yellow one there. And then the coolant is right there. And then the brake fluid is right there. And then the power steering is right in here.
Yeah. And how did you fill up the oil in the truck?
If you want to fill up the oil, you take this cap off and fill in there. And if you want to fill coolant, you take this cap off and fill it in there.
What about the brake fluid?
The brake fluid you can fill up here.
Okay.
At the top cup. The second thing you want to check is all your light. You want to check if all the light is working. And then at the same time you're checking your light, you can check your tires. If they have any damage on them. So we can walk around and look at the lights and the tires.
What about the air tanks?
We have to listen to
any sound?
Yeah, any sound that is coming out. If there are coming a sound, then you have to get it checked.
Yeah. You also need to check if there's bumps and dents.
Yes. But we will go around and look. All the lights are looking fine. Here as well, you can see the light fine. And the tires are looking fine. Tires, light. The lights are looking fine. The tires. Here.